Welcome to How to Play King of the Hill, a chess variation where getting your king to the center can instantly win you the game. Thanks to JP Games for providing the chess set used in this video. Set up the board like a standard game of chess. Place the rooks in the corners of the back row, then the knights, then bishops, with the queen and king in the center. Pawns fill the row in front. In addition to winning with the standard checkmate, this game can also be won by legally moving your king into one of the 4 center squares of the board. Gameplay follows standard chess, with players taking turns making moves and all pieces moving normally. Because of the alternate win condition, strategy changes quite a bit. In standard chess, exposing your king is usually dangerous, but in King of the Hill, moving your king toward the center can become a legitimate path to victory. If a player legally moves their king onto one of the 4 center squares, whether by moving there normally or by capturing an opponent's piece, they immediately win. As with standard chess, a king may never move into check or stay in check, so even if a center square would win you the game, your king cannot move there if that square is under attack by your opponent. White's king has a potential path toward the center while black attempts to defend those key squares. White and black respond to each other's moves. White continues advancing until one of the center squares becomes legally available. White moves their king onto the center square. Because White has legally occupied one of the 4 center squares, White immediately wins the game. Thanks again to JP Games for providing the game set used in this video. Check them out through the link in this video's description. If you enjoyed learning how to play King of the Hill and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.